customership into revenue. So the model is very clear. We go into one product-based approach, vertical-based approach, and avenue approach. Next, network agnostic solutions. Everywhere in India there is a CCTV camera. Whether it's a small retail store or a lifestyle or a shopper shop anywhere in the country, or a small kirana store or a medical store, there is a CCTV camera and we have a solution for it. So now we cannot say that I don't have a product to sell. I have everything to sell. It is only my intention to spend the 2 minutes to the customer and say, sir, you have a CCTV camera. I have a solution which network team has explained, Srini was explaining it. It is just that we have to go and convert to the customer. We have a beautiful solution. So that is what we need to go. And here, it has nothing to do with Bangalore or Chennai or Hyderabad or Madurai or Coimbatore. Even to a small location, Hubli we can go. And if we find a mall and if there is a CCTV camera, we can pitch our solution. Okay, so please get that in your mind that I have a product, I can compete with Airtel, Jio, Vodafone, not on network. We have better than network. So we have product specific approach. Okay, so please keep that in mind. There's one more thing. On how many cases of you will remember that once we have connected a customer using a third party network, do we realize that that site has now become RFS for us? I have taken a third party network and I have connected the building. Now that area is automatically RFS, whether it is our network or a third party network. So every single time when we are creating a new network or a new connectivity, we are creating new RFS home passes for us. So that's also an approach. You know, we have got 600 to 700 customers in Hyderabad, right? 600 opportunities we have. Do we have one employee there? No. But do we have network there? 600 buildings. We have taken a third party network and we have connected a customer. What stops us from connecting a second customer in that same building? Nothing. But we talk that I don't have a network. It's a change of mindset. Okay, so please remember that we have product. When we step out here, when we meet any customer, can you give me a product? Sir, I can give you a product anywhere in India. I have that reach. Jio has that reach? No, they only sell in their own network. Airtel, they only sell in their network. We can give a connectivity or a solution or an infrastructure at any location. It's a question is how we convince a customer and get a business model out of it. So thinking has to be changed. City-based approach. Let's make it simple. What we are doing is we will stand up a city and then the city has to be successful. If we want to start Madurai, let's start Madurai. Nobody is stopping us. We have infrastructure already available. We have product. All we need to do is put people out there. And those people where we put in will be accountable for the revenue that we generate. So never we will go out and say, कि सर हमारा city में लोग नहीं है. We don't have manpower there. Because we are ready to start anywhere. All that we have to do is utilize our network, our product and our strategy in such a way that we can get it across a business out of it. So thinking has to be broad. Multi-location. How many times have we thought that if I go and bring one retail customer in Bangalore, he has multiple shops, multiple stores across India or across South India. Why can't we give this product to all his locations? Here if I am giving it on my network, there I am giving it on a third party network. But what do? Sir, you give me this order, we will close this order. So question of how we approach. Otherwise, all the products and solutions that we have created, okay, is of not going to give any value. If anyone is expecting that we are going to put 10,000 kilometers of fiber in South India and start competing with competitors, that's not going to happen. That's not our business model also. We are smart people, less of capex, but more of solutions. So every single customer you get today, ask that customer, sir, if you have multiple locations, multiple offices across India, why can't I give a same solution to you in all locations? And the more you give multiple locations, the price will be better. When we bargain for price, please don't bargain for prices. सर वो 1,10,000 में 90,000 बोल रहा है। बॉस सर rather than come back सर एक नहीं 3 लोकेशन बोल रहा है। If he bargains for price, you bargain for location. That is how we should start thinking and make our business better. And that way, every single city that we get in, every single area we get in, we create an additional road pass. So that's our concept of doing it. Connectivity. Tech park connectivity. We connect once and we forget. We spent 3 lakh rupees to connect one tech park. One order, done. Huge amount of capex has been done. At one end, we are saying, sir, I don't have RFS to come.